Good morning, people. We are at Sulphur, Oklahoma. Spelled Sulphur. We are currently at Ball, what? Not Ball, Bear Fall, but it was too busy, so we decided to go right next to it, which is Little Niagara Falls. This is a little creek. We just arrived. It's in the afternoon. It's a little fish, so we're gonna check out the little fish.
Oh, I see. It could be a tadpole. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna feed it.
Oh wow.
I saw one.
Oh wow.
Whoa, that's cool.
Feed it again.
I think it's dying right now.
The one that ate it.
Do it again.
Oh,
Do it again.
Mới dạy coi.
Oh, it doesn't want it.
Yeah, it's kind of huge.
Oh, that's a lot of them.
But it's kind of huge.
Picture. Come on.
Hey, you know you Asian when you start bringing your Asian mat right there with you. Oh, it's a video.
Oh, what the hell?
You want a picture? Yeah, you want a picture? I can do a picture.
Too late. I'm out of position now.
Alright, we got the grill started. Right. Ben, what we gonna eat tonight?
Bendo steak.
Whatever we can find in the woods.
Bendo steak, hot dog, pizza, and fish
Yeah,
and
bro,
pho.
come down to the text someone, I hit you up and we
Yeah.
meet there.
Yeah,
This is the crew.
I knew a guy that would take those same
little
little
family
tours.
over there.
He'd do it like
Right,
once
so
a
this
Oh,
is
like
year.
a
Ben's-
guide?
Well, no, he would go and
Uncle
he
over there.
knew a buddy that had a guide service.
Oh, gotcha.
So he would go out there and get like
The rest
cheap,
of
I guess it was
Ben's
cheap
family
gas.
that come over there, they went over there to go check it out, see what's in the middle of the forest. It's supposed to be Little Niagara Falls, something like that.
All mindset and something that you want.
Đi pleo khá phải chơi chín nó đó còn nó phô. Starter.
Appetizer.
Whereas network admins, all they do is they figure out the network connection, like from office to office stuff like that. They built it.
Whoa!
Hardware, software. So
I think.
What hot dog?
but a lot of time
I think. Oh, it's not Rebecca. It's Brianna.
Yeah, for sure. So the ones
Who's
that
that play cards, huh?
the type that you do, they don't really offer.
they can't. They can't.
Dude, we went to a Walmart over here. They got like a restaurant inside. They got like Chinese restaurant inside Walmart.
Really?
Yeah. I told my little brother, I was like, man, this Walmart is super big.
Fancy Walmart.
Yeah.
Fancy Walmart.
Where you
They
guys
got
are? You
Chinese
guys in
restaurant.
the
Jerry, I'm with
So
it.
we live in Broken Arrow, which is like 15 minutes down south from Tulsa.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's much better. It's less ghetto.
Yeah.
It'll hold up.
Oh, Mong.
Okay, we are off to the water hole.
You want to go see the well we found? Or the bunker or something?
Let's go check it out.
My camera. Hurry, Madalina's coming. Hurry, let's go. Dude. You have to take off your shirt. No. Jay, you want to go see the bunker again? Yeah. We want a lock. Dude, that's not the lock. What? No. Go back to mom.
Alright, we are here at the water hole. We're gonna go and find a spot for us to dive in. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is how they're gonna go in. Ni hla của nó mù. Ở nên ra đi à?
Oh, two of them are jumping.
Oh, they're jumping? Where? Where are they going? This is the water hole location, but it's very busy. Okay, be able to video much. Yeah, that's, I don't know what's over there. So right here to this side, there's a little waterfall right there where the kids can have fun. Let's see if I can video it. People jump from over there. And there's pool up here. You can go down here too. Probably gonna head back to the camp.
Whatever you want.
There you go.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Alright, that's the good part right there that I'm waiting for.
Good about actually working
Shut.
with weight.
Come on, you want to
Oh no, I gotta eat well done.
She loves cardio. So I'm like,
It burns more. It has to burn while your body is recovering. It burns continuously.
that's what I'm trying to tell her.
It's the way to go. You're not gonna. Woman's not gonna get bulky from it.
No.
You're not gonna get bulky. You're not gonna like. You're not. Not from weight. Yeah.